plans and operation. Planning is important. It is the way toward choosing in detail how to accomplish something before you begin doing. It develops an imperative for environmental scanning and situational analysis. It trains good commanders to hone forecasting and prioritization skills. Planning as a management function. Management is defined as the use of people and other resources to accomplish objectives. This definition is applicable to all organizational structures, both profit-oriented and non-profit. The process of management is as important to the effective functioning of any organization. Planning as a management function also, it involves in the creation of an environment in which people can most effectively use other resources to reach stated goals. It involves the implementation to 4 basic functions which play a role in the operation of all organizations. We are 4 basic functions of management. First, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning can be defined as the process by which managers set objectives, assess the future, and develop courses of action to accomplish these objectives. All managers are involved in planning activities. Organizing is the process of obtaining and arranging people or staffing and physical resources to carry out plans and accomplish organizational objectives. It is a continuing process in any organization. Leading. Leading is a critical activity in all organizations. It can be defined as the act of motivating or causing people to perform certain tasks intended to achieve specific objectives. It is the art of making things happen. Controlling. It can be defined as the continual analysis and measurement of actual operations against the established standard developed during the planning process. What is planning? Planning can be defined as the process by which managers set objectives, assess the future, and develop courses of action designed to accomplish objectives. It also includes determining appropriate objectives and the optimum timetable for achieving them. It is a continuous function and directs the organization through a change-oriented environment in the pursuit of established objectives. It also specifies the action needed to reach these objectives. This is a good example of a plan is the patrol plan of police stations. Formal act or process of making plan. It can be writing down what you want to do, how would you do it, and who would help you the task involved to reach a certain end. Elements of planning. A goal, what do you want to attain? Course of action, how would you reach your goal? Implementing group, who is tasked to do the action? Resources needed, what is needed to accomplish? What is the importance of planning? Importance of planning. Careful planning should result in the development of a blueprint describing the means to accomplish objectives. Enumerated are the reasons why planning is considered to be a vital function of every managers. People become more proactive, not just reactive. It is best to solve a problem before it happens. A plan which put in place, rehearsed, and evaluated would make implementation easier. It would make the police units dynamic and responsive. 2. Doing more with less. PNP resources are always not enough. Hence, they must be used to the fullest and with maximum impact In this case, 1 plus should equal 3 or more, or the sum of the parts should be greater than the whole. Third, foundation of your work. A plan establishes the basis for what you are doing. You will have a quiet guide or a roadmap to help you do the right things. Take for example the station patrol plan. It coordinates movements and extends police visibility in crime-prone and periods. Fourth, help make your people become more proactive. When people know what you want to do, how you want it done, and what is expected of them, they adapt to the rules and become productive. They will have a mastery of their job. People know their roles and understand their value and contribution in the overall operations. Fifth, reflect your competence. Your experience and training will be reflected on the plan you make. It will establish that you have your act together. It will also compel you to sharpen your saw or to read more about delivering quality police service. A good plan is good image builder. 6. Give the strategic and tactical advantage. A well-formulated, instituted plan allow the commander to make action and decision which have long-term impact. At the same time, it prepares the unit for contingencies needing short-term solution. Dynamism is an essential requirement of any unit. It must be flexible and attuned to the people's will.